Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to share one of my recipe with you, and I'm going to make mango, pears, plum, passion fruit and melon. I'm going to combine all my fruits together and I'm about to start. I'm going to simply remove the skin from my melon. Just cutting up my melon in small pieces. And I'm going to put my melon straight into my blender. And I'm just going to wash my mango. And I'm going to cut my mango. And I'm going to cut my mango in small pieces. I'm going to put my mango straight into my blender. And I'm going to wash my passion fruits. I'm going to cut up my passion fruit in small pieces. And I'm going to put it straight into my blender. Oh, that is looking good. And I'm going to wash my pears. These pears are very sweet and juicy. Look my pear. Just see those. And I'm going to wash my plum. Cut my plum in small pieces. Straight into my blender. And I'm just gonna wash my ginger. I've just got a little bit of ginger. I like to use ginger because ginger is very good for you and it gives my juice a kick. And I love when I'm drinking my juice, I can taste the taste of ginger. So, and I am going to add enough water to cover my fruits. And that water is enough. I'm going to switch my blender on and then I start. Ooh, my The blender is very powerful. It's a very, very good blender. Wow. You don't have to blend for long because my blender is very powerful. As you can see, it's doing a really good job. It's all blend and ready for straining. I love this blender, very powerful. It does a really good job. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, that is looking really, really good. So I'm just gonna start straining. It's all looking good, really, really good. I'm just going to strain my juice, give my juice a once over just to make sure all the bits are out. So I'm just giving it a once over. Wow, looking really good. Wow. This is what I call natural healthy juice. I really enjoy making these juice. And I'm so happy to know that I'm sharing my recipes with others so that they can stay healthy and looking good and live a healthy lifestyle. I am not going to put any honey in this juice because this juice is very sweet. The pears, all the fruit what I use is really sweet, so I don't need to add any honey to it. I'm just simply giving it a stir to combine all my ingredients together. Wow, this is looking really good. I am going to pour some over ice. And wow. And then I'm going to have a taste, and then I'm just going to tell you what I think of this juice. Really nice. Really nice. All the fruits combined together, and it is really nice. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice. I'm out.